Number 1. The 1966 Ford Mustang, priced at $12,000. This classic American icon is located in Florence, Kentucky. It's a two-door hardtop coupe that blends vintage style with practicality. In very good condition overall, the car is powered by a reliable six-cylinder engine, known for its fuel efficiency back in the day. While the paint might need a refresh, the mechanics are solid. Both the engine and transmission have been recently rebuilt, and new brakes and tires have been installed, making it road-ready and safe to drive. The mileage reads 139,000, which is reasonable for a car of this age, especially if it's been well cared for. Inside, the clean interior reflects its well-maintained status, and the seller assures us it runs good. Keep in mind the seller is firm on the terms, no trades, so this Mustang is available for direct purchase only. If you're after a stylish classic with strong performance, this might be the perfect fit. Number 2. The 1968 Ford Mustang, priced at $13,000. This classic blue Mustang, located in Whippany, New Jersey, comes with chrome bumpers and is in impressive condition for its age, with no rust or pitting on the exterior. The interior features a sharp two-tone design of dark blue and light blue, and although it's in great shape overall, there's a small tear in the headliner. Under the hood, you'll find a 351 Cleveland Performance engine, paired with a 4-barrel carburetor and dual exhaust for enhanced performance. Cherry bomb mufflers are included, though not installed, as they are a bit too loud for the neighbors. The car has an automatic transmission but manual steering and brakes. It rides on SS Krager mag wheels, which give it that authentic muscle car look. There is an electrical issue with the rear lights, likely due to an unspecified electrical fault, and a rust problem with the torque box that will need to be repaired at an estimated cost of about $2,500. Despite these issues, the car has been well maintained, stored in a garage with the battery on a tender, and starts right up, though it has not been driven in 3 years. The price has already been reduced to reflect the cost of repairs, making this a great opportunity for someone looking to restore a solid classic muscle car. At over 50 years old, the Mustang remains in excellent shape with only minor issues to address. Number 3. The 1967 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $20,000. This classic American beauty is located in Bensalem, Pennsylvania, and comes in a sleek white color. It has a relatively low total mileage of 70,000 miles, especially considering its age. The current seller, who is the original owner, assures that the car's history is well documented. Under the hood, you'll find a like-new ZZ6 crate motor with just a few hundred miles on it, paired with a freshly installed turbo 400 transmission, known for its durability and reliability in muscle cars. The Impala also boasts a clean title, free of any liens or salvage history, and is described as being in excellent running condition. If you're in the market for a well-maintained piece of automotive history, this Impala might just be your perfect match. Number 4. The 1966 Ford Fairlane GT, priced at $5,500. This classic American muscle car, located in New Bern, North Carolina, combines vintage charm with modern upgrades. It's powered by a 1995 GT 302 cubic inch V8 engine, paired with a durable C4 3-speed automatic transmission, enhanced by a 2800 stall Torque converter and a TCI street strip valve body for high-performance driving. The drivetrain includes an 8-inch Ford rear end with a 4.11 Richmond gear ratio and a Richmond Posey unit for better traction. Equipped with RHS cylinder heads, 200 cubic centimeter intake runners, and 85 cubic centimeter exhaust ports, it ensures smooth airflow, while the Comp 268H camshaft adds power and a classic muscle car growl. The ignition system features an MSD6AL box and a Pertronix igniter pickup for reliability. Inside, upgraded 1967 Mustang front bucket seats provide comfort and style. This Fairlane GT is built to impress, blending muscle car nostalgia with performance-driven upgrades. Number 5. The 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Fastback, priced at $8,000. This classic muscle car is located in Dunbar, Pennsylvania, and features a green exterior. Under the hood, it's powered by a 318 V8 engine and a 727 automatic transmission that shifts well. It has manual drum brakes and manual steering, with no power steering and a 7 1/4 rear axle. While it runs and drives, it's not yet roadworthy and needs some work, including new brakes, an exhaust system, currently with open headers, and new transmission lines. The interior is in good shape with clean carpeting, a new headliner, a nice dashboard, door panels, and a new heater core. The gauges, including the speedometer and fuel gauge, are all functioning, as are the dome light and most exterior lights. The frame is solid and a new one-piece floor has been installed. The trunk and outer wheelhouses are in good condition, though one trunk extension will need some repairs. The fenders are fixable, but the deck lid does have Bondo in the lip. The car will need a paint job, as the current shine juice is just a temporary fix for gloss. Additionally, it requires new quarter panels, hood latch hardware, and some other body repairs. Cash only, no trades, and the price is negotiable, so make an offer. Number 6. The 1969 Chevrolet Malibu, priced at $25,000. This Chevelle is located in Bayshore, New York. It comes in a striking blue color and features a numbers-matching small block 350 engine, which means the engine is original to the car, a significant detail for collectors. The vehicle is in solid condition with no rust or rot, an impressive feat for a car of its age. While the paint shows its years with some blemishes, the car remains structurally sound. Several modern upgrades make this classic even more reliable and enjoyable. A new American auto-wire wiring harness has been professionally installed, ensuring dependable electrical performance. The alternator and distributor have been upgraded to new Power Master components, and a new aluminum radiator keeps the engine running cool. Additionally, the car features a new Holley 600 Street Warrior carburetor for better fuel delivery and a new Axle cap rotor with an ignition control module for improved ignition. The heating system works, and the car originally came with factory air conditioning. While the compressor is not currently installed, it is included in the sale. For anyone looking to own a piece of American automotive history with practical modern upgrades, this Chevelle could be the perfect ride. Number 7. The 1968 Pontiac LeMans, priced at $14,000. This classic car is located in Middletown, Connecticut, and comes in a beautiful green color. With only 56,800 miles on the odometer, it has been driven relatively little for its age. The car features all new air conditioning parts, ensuring a comfortable ride. It runs and drives like new, with smooth performance and no issues. The interior is super clean, showing minimal wear, while the exterior boasts a nice, well-maintained paint job. Additionally, it has brand new tires, and the brakes and other important components have been recently serviced, making it ready to hit the road without any concerns. Number 8. The 1967 Plymouth Fury III, priced at $6,500. This classic American beauty, located in Gallipolis, Ohio, boasts a sleek black exterior and vintage charm. With 86,750 miles on the odometer, this Fury III is equipped with a reliable 318 engine, enhanced by a 340 intake and a 4-barrel carburetor for improved performance. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth and easy driving experience. The car runs and drives well, making it functional for daily use, but it's labeled a project car for enthusiasts ready to bring it to its full potential. Areas that need attention include minor bodywork, repairs to the headliner and seats, and possibly a fresh coat of paint to restore its original luster. Despite these needs, this Plymouth Fury III offers a solid foundation for anyone seeking a vintage ride with character and potential. Number 9. The 1970 Mercury Monterey convertible, priced at $9,500. This classic car is located in Vineland, New Jersey, and comes in a striking blue color. It's powered by a powerful 429 cubic inch V8 engine, which is ideal for muscle car enthusiasts and features a Posey traction rear axle. For improved traction and handling, the car also boasts a 2.5-inch dual exhaust system that enhances both its performance and sound. With only 68,000 miles on the odometer, it's a low-mileage gem for its age. The car has a clean title, ensuring there are no legal issues with its ownership history, and its frame, quarters, floors, and rockers are all in solid, rust-free condition. It's also recently been fitted with new tires, carpet, a water pump, and thermostat, making it ready to hit the road. Having been owned by a mechanic for the past 15 years, this car has been well maintained and cared for. Number 10. The 1966 Ford Thunderbird LX, priced at $5,000. This classic two-door coupe comes in a striking blue exterior and is located in Mason, New Hampshire. With 45,000 miles on the odometer, the car starts and drives, though it doesn't idle smoothly, suggesting the engine may need some adjustments. It's been regularly driven in past years, but has been sitting unused for a while, so a thorough inspection and potential repairs are recommended. The underside is mostly clean, with some rust spots behind the wheel wells. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 390 cubic inch big block engine, paired with an automatic transmission. The car was stored for much of its life in a garage in Connecticut, helping preserve its condition. The seller isn't interested in taking on the repairs themselves and is looking to sell the car as is. They're also open to delivering the vehicle to the buyer once the sale is finalized. If you're ready for a restoration project or just a slice of vintage car history, this Thunderbird could be a great find.